All right, everybody. I just wanted to send out a quick reminder of how to access those Schoology resources, just in case you are interested. So login links is where you go, all right, once you're all set and logged in as an employee. Then you go ahead and you go over and you find Schoology. Duh. All right, and you go to Schoology login. And then after this, I just automatically log into Schoology. I'm kind of assuming you all do the same thing. You're going to go to groups. Now, if you're not already showing course masters, which is what you're going to want, you can go to my groups and then you can add a group. All right. But course masters is where you go. And then once you're here, you are going to be most interested in the resources section. So you'll click on that little file cabinet, and then you go ahead and you find your content area to browse courses. Like, let's say if you're a science teacher and you are looking to see what might be available for your 8th grade science class, then you might click there. And then you've got semester 1 and you've got semester 2, and you can do some great browsing in there. For those of you who have seen Cassidy, the JBA instructional coach, she came and she was talking about creating your own sandbox and all that sort of thing. Also know that you can just go and you can browse, and then you can grab some things from here. Now, she was talking about the fact that you can go to settings and copy to. So if you don't have a place to copy it to, that may be a bit of an issue. All right. So that's where you might want to have that sandbox created already. All righty. But anyway, you can go in and you can say, okay, I want to look at Unit 1. And then I want to find out exactly what's going on here. And here's week 1 broken down, week 2, and some different things that it covers, week 3, energy conservation, and so on. Let's say if I want to go into week 1, well, then there's all these different activities that I can take a look at and say, well, is there anything here that I really like? Ooh, I like Bill Nye. And let's go ahead. Ooh, there's a video there already. And then there's some questions. So you could easily plug that into Google Classroom, no problem. All right. And also you could probably take that video and plug it into Edpuzzle if you wanted to create more accountability for students to know if they're interacting with the video and what they're thinking and learning from it and that sort of thing. All right. You could even use these questions if you wanted to. Anywho, just wanted to give you a quick little show around just to remind you of how to access these great resources. But keep in mind, these are things that you can tweak as well. You don't have to use them exactly as they are. If there's something you like, take it, steal it. If you like it, but you want to make it your own, go ahead. All right. If you're just looking for ideas on how other teachers or other courses might be set up that are, your same content area, go for it. All righty.